I'm gonna show you the 2 fastest ways to hide a cut in your video. The first way to hide a cut is to use what's called a J-cut. A J-cut is when you hear the audio before you see the video. The next way to hide a transition is to use what's called an L-cut, which is basically the opposite of a J-cut, which means that you see the video before you hear the audio. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and I got 2 clips of our office dog named Pepsi, and you'll notice how the 2 clips have 2 very distinctly different audio sounds. Now let's play back the clips, how they are on the timeline, and see how the audio and the cut sound. Right at the 3-second mark is when the cut occurs, and you can clearly hear in the audio when that cut happens. This cut feels jarring because we go from ambient bug noise outside to soft piano music playing. Now let's smooth out that transition using the J-cut. First step is to highlight both of your clips and unlink the video from the audio. Take the audio from the first clip and drag it into the 2-second mark on your timeline. Now take the second clip's audio and drag that into the 2-second mark on your timeline so they snap together. Now let's play that back and see how that affected the transition. So you'll notice how you heard the audio of the soft piano music before you saw Pepsi sleeping. Now let's make an L-cut. To make an L-cut, take the video part of your first clip and drag it to that same 2-second mark. Now take the second clip's video and drag it to the 2-second mark so that they snap together and meet. Now let's play that back. So you'll notice how the L-cut is basically a J-cut, except you see the video before you hear the audio. Now this transition could be smoother. To make that smoother, go to the effects panel, search constant power, drag that onto your audio clip, and now let's play that back and see how that sounds. It sounds pretty smooth to me. So that's a J and an L cut. Try it out in your videos. Comment down below what you would like to learn about next, and let us know if this was a good tip for you.